This recipe brings out so many childhood memories because my mama used to make for me 𝗤𝗲𝗂𝗍 mayai before going to school, and it was always delicious. Now the recipe has been passed down to me, and I'm making for my kids or cooking for my kids some delicious 𝗤𝗲𝗂𝗍 mayai almost every single day because they are always excited for each bite. This is the easiest recipe that you're going to find out there, and you need only 3 ingredients. We have some toast or bread, eggs, and cooking oil. So we're going to start off our recipe because everything is on the countertop ready to cook. So you're going to crack in 4 eggs to a bowl. Once done, you're going to use a fork and whisk up the eggs. As simple as that. Now I'm ready to cook. So I'm going to grab a non-stick pan. You can use any pan that you have in the house. Place over medium flame. You're going to wait for around a minute so that the pan can get hot. Eggs are a nice way to add in some protein to your breakfast, and they're cheap, which means that you can skip on this recipe. When the pan is ready, you're going to add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. You don't need too much oil because you're using a non-stick pan. Then you're going to pick your bread, place it in the eggs, both sides. Check off the excess and transfer to your pan. Now the eggs are going to add a very nice coating on the bread, and cooking is going to take around 30 seconds to a minute. If you notice that your pan is too hot, you can reduce the flame to low so that you can have that nice golden brown color. Check on my bread and flip. Gorgeous, just look at that. Once your bread is looking this gorgeous, you're going to transfer to a plate. Then you're going to be placing your next piece of bread. I'm not going to be adding in any more oil because we still have some oil in the pan. So I'm going to grab my bread, place it in the eggs, shake off the excess and transfer to the pan. This is when the aroma in the kitchen is absolutely delicious because of the eggs fried. So you just keep on checking as the bread is cooking because you don't want that dark color on your bread. And once ready, you're going to flip and let the other side slowly toast or cook. When ready, I'm going to transfer to the plates. Once more, I'm going to repeat by dunking my bread in the eggs and then transferring to the pan, which still has a little bit more oil, so no need for extra oil. With schools back in session, this is a perfect recipe to whip up some delicious breakfast for your kids because it's super fast, super easy, with readily available ingredients. And also it's perfect for you because white bread is so boring. So I'm going to repeat with the rest of the bread, and I'll be done in a matter of around 5 minutes. When it comes to dipping your bread in the egg wash, it should be very fast because once the bread soaks in lots of eggs, it's going to take a little bit longer to cook your bread. When done, it's time to plate your 𝗤𝗲𝗂𝗍 mayai, which is smelling absolutely delicious. Delicious. I'm super excited. When you have your first bite, the toast mayai is perfectly cooked and it's perfect over a cup of chai or coffee. This recipe is going to save you a lot of time because it's going to take you around 20. This recipe is going to save you a lot of time because it's going to take you around 10 minutes and you won't eat some boring white bread. Rather, it will be a balanced diet because we have some eggs. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.